This is a used 2008 Dodge Caliber. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include digital audio input, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, privacy glass, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, independent suspension, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Cherokee Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 195 Woodstock Parkway, Woodstock, Georgia 30188.